And now for a read aloud of P.J. Funnybunny's Bag of Tricks by Marilyn Sadler, illustrated by Roger Bolin. Make sure to grab your own copy to follow along with me. One day, Mr. Funnybunny brought home a surprise for PJ. It was a magic kit. "Thanks, Dad," said PJ. PJ opened the box. He found a magic wand and a red scarf. He found a top hat and a magic book. "Practice, practice, practice," PJ read. PJ looked in the mirror. He practiced and practiced and practiced. "Now I will have a magic show," said PJ. PJ snapped a carrot in half. He dropped it into his hat. He waved his magic wand. PJ pulled out the carrot. "Ta-da!" he said. The carrot was whole. PJ held up a glass of milk. He covered it with his red scarf. He waved his magic wand. He pulled away the scarf. "Ta-da!" said PJ. The milk was blue. PJ did trick after trick after trick. He read his mother's mind. He made Funnybunny's doll float. He made Pot's Pig's candy bar go away. PJ asked his mother, "Do you want me to read your mind again?" But his mother wanted to read a book. He asked Funnybunny, "Do you want me to make your doll float?" But Funnybunny wanted to have a tea party. He asked Pot's Pig, "Do you want me to make your candy bar go away?" But Pot's Pig went away. PJ was mad. "I will show you the biggest trick of all," he said. And poof! PJ was gone. There was a knock at the door. It was Grandma and Grandpa. "Where is PJ?" they asked. His mother looked under his bed. His father looked in his closet. "Where could he be?" his brothers and sister asked. PJ's top hat hopped across the floor. Out jumped PJ. "Ta-da!" he said. The Funnybunnies were happy to see PJ. This was his best trick of all. If you want to try a magic trick for yourself, make sure to grab your own copy and try it at home. That was P.J. Funnybunny's Bag of Tricks by Marilyn Sadler, illustrated by Roger Bolin. Thanks for watching.